Alright guys, welcome back to Carport Mods. I'm here with my boy Louie. I'm at his shop and he's about to crack open my transmission. It's 0204 RSX Type S transmission. And he's about to crack it open, clean it up, inspect it, clean it up, and seal it back up for me. He's a maestro, an expert, a savant, if you will, at doing this, and locally there's nobody better. So let's watch the master work. Right here he's moving the clutch slave cylinder and he hands it off to me and I threw it on the ground. Yeah, this isn't really a how-to, and just documenting how it went down. Give you guys something to watch. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you're entertained. Are you not entertained? Wait, that sounds like never mind. Yeah, all those yellow little spots on there, as you see. I dropped a can of yellow spray paint and it blew up, man. The can just busted, man. I couldn't believe that. I never seen that happen to a spray paint can, but it just busted and paint went everywhere. I painted all over my pants, all over my little mini shop that I have attached to the carport, and all over my tools and everything. Just moving the gear shifter mechanism. And he's telling me right here to install this later after I put oil. He's telling me to put oil in through there and then seal it up and then install it back. I'm glad I recorded this because I will not remember what to do later on. I've just got to do the timing on the engine and put the oil pan and the valve cover back on. And then I'll be really ready to mate the clutch and everything, transmission all together. I installed a 45-degree VTC, and I installed a Type S oil pump, and yeah, so I should just slap everything back together. play some of the original audio, but there's music playing, so it'll be copyright. Yeah, Louis was cool enough to give me the springs. He had some hybrid recent springs. I believe it was hybrid. And he was able to give me those to go that go in these holes right here, in these bolts. And I just put the little ball bearings out. That's the only thing extra that I didn't order. For this transmission, I have had I ordered the D10 springs from Acuity, which he installed. Got that on video, and I got all the seals and everything that goes on it. And right there, you just watch Louis lay some wood. Pause. Louis showed me how that bolt right there and the one in front are longer than the rest. So when you're putting it back together, remember that one's longer, that one and the one right directly across from it are longer than the rest of the bolts. Yeah, he's grabbed a couple of nuts right here to drive that stud off. I need a pause, and this one was very stubborn, man. Yeah, it shows the studs. I'm gonna mount it with bolts for a better look. That was Louis' idea. And this is some bad camera work right here. There you go. Yeah, a little heat, and just finally able to get it off there. Got all the bolts off, and he's trying to pry it apart, as you can see. Just needs a little bit of persuasion. Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures of it after I paint it. If you guys want to see those, just head to my IG. It's Carport Mods, and you better check it out on there. It's almost off, man. A little tug here, a little tug there. And hats off to you guys. And spoiler alert, thankfully everything looked really good inside. From here he's going to take it all apart and blast everything with some parts cleaner as he inspects everything and put it all back together. It was a pleasure to watch, man. It's just like, it's amazing how these things work, man. After watching him do it, would I tackle it myself? I think I'd rather let Louis do it. Could I do it? Probably. Maybe. But if you want it done right, take it to an expert, man. Some things they'll tackle and some things they won't. Here it is, guys. Everything all cleaned up and inspected. And from here, all you did was just put the case back on, and that was it, man. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.